What's going on, faves? Oh my goodness, you guys, listen. If you like lasagna and you like spaghetti, you gonna love this.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor.
Hey, faves. I'm not even going to say, but today is Monday, okay? I've been vlogging for, this will make the third day, and I probably don't have 3 minutes worth of content. So, today's going to be a good day. I'm claiming it. I'm declaring it, okay? Okay, so we're going to start today. Don't know what that was, but I'm about to start my day. I've got some errands to run. Looks like my grandchildren are pulling up now, so you guys can see them. I've got to work today over at the Home of the Innocent. School is closed today. Eyelash looking funny, but anyway, school is closed today and tomorrow. So I have, as I've said, so much to do. Let's see if I get some of it done. Gosh, I don't know. I've just been, kind of like, not tired, just, just, I guess it's the best word for it. So anyway, here comes the babies, and y'all get to see them. And then I'm out here, and y'all hear them? They arguing about something. I don't know. Anyway, see y'all in a minute. What are y'all arguing about?
Hey, that's my money.
No, it's not.
Give me my money.
Stop. No, because it's not.
Is that his birthday money?
No, it's not our promise.
Hey, Favs.
Hey,
So
Tay.
it's 20.
Oh, you got that kind of money?
25.
Okay.
And then.
Okay. Oh, how much?
170.
Is that from birthday?
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
30, 31, 32.
Come here, Alexis.
It's a nice day outside
Come here.
today.
So I got $39. It's not 150.
39. This is my baby, y'all. This is my little pudding pie. And look what we got right here. Y'all know she's my little taste tester. Whoa, we got a little baby. We got a little baby. And when is our baby coming?
27.
March the 20th. Okay, where am I at? March the 27th. Did you say hi to the face?
Hi, babe.
All right, y'all. I'm about to get out here. Get in the car, start my errands, and we'll see what we see. Yeah. Y'all, I forgot to film again. I did go to the Home of the Innocents, and I just forgot. It's not like I can film a whole lot when I get there anyway, because it is a residential facility. So the only thing that I can really do is capture me before I'm going, and then when I'm leaving out. So I decided to cook dinner for you. So hope you're hungry. This gonna be good. It's baked spaghetti lasagna. Bring your appetite, girl. Come on in. I got you. What's good, faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back at it again with another segment of In the Kitchen Cooking with Fave. Oh, y'all, this is going to be so good. I know I always say that, but y'all, I love lasagna. I love the ingredients of lasagna, but I don't like lasagna pasta. I don't know why, I just don't. So I found me a recipe for spaghetti lasagna. With all those yummy ingredients, ricotta cheese. I got some Italian sausage, ground turkey instead of beef. Y'all, delicious. So, y'all make sure y'all come on back because it's almost dinner time. And I'm not waiting for y'all. Okay, you guys, if you are new to the channel, thank you for coming by to click on Fave Miss Renee and see what I got going on over here. I so appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. If you are a lady or a girl that's been rocking with Fave for quite some time, honey, you already know, girlfriend. You my girl. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming by, stopping by, supporting, watching, all of that. So listen, I ain't got a lot of chit-chatter in me tonight. Not that I'm tired. I'm just ready to eat. Okay, so let me show you what we're getting ready to get into. This lasagna spaghetti. Spaghetti lasagna. Okay? See y'all in a minute. Okay, so to begin, put a little oil and salt in the noodles. And then I'm going to take this onion right here and dice it up and get it ready for the sauce. Okay, so now that the noodles are just the way I want them, I'm going to drain the pot and add the egg and the Parmesan cheese. Okay, so once I got the noodles drained, I put them back in the pot. And then I'm going to go over here and get the egg and Parmesan mixture ready so that it can, I'll pour it over the spaghetti noodles and set them to the side, okay? Okay, so once I got the mixture together, now it's time to pour it over here in the spaghetti noodles, which is kind of hard to do because I'm trying to hold the camera. I'm trying to toss the noodles all at the same time, talking and tossing and holding the camera. No, didn't work. Okay, ladies, so while the onions and mushrooms are sauteing, it's just the meat mixture that I'm going to be using, an Italian sausage and the ground turkey meat. Okay, again, ladies, so this is when I'm just going to start dumping ingredients. You see I had the garlic powder and that total seasoning that I absolutely love. And I'm just not measuring, just to my taste, what feels good and what tastes good. Putting those seasonings into directly on the meat in the saucepan while it's cooking. And then I'm going to start adding some things, like here's some minced garlic, which, y'all know the flavor that garlic gives to almost everything. Garlic is a favorite in my kitchen. So then I've got some diced tomatoes, some tomato paste, and that tomato basil pasta sauce that I absolutely love. I'm just going to throw those right in on top of that meat mixture. After I drained the meat mixture, let me say that. I forgot. I did drain the meat mixture, and then I added those sauces to it. And now everything is just cooking and simmering together. Oh, my God. It looks absolutely delicious. And it smells good, too. Okay. Ooh. I could lick the spoon, but I ain't gonna do it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now I am ready to make my ricotta cheese mixture, which is really easy. It's just one egg, and then I use that whole container of ricotta cheese. I used a fork, just kind of beat it and mix it all up there together, making sure that egg was evenly mixed. And now I'm ready to start loading up my spaghetti lasagna. I put some noodles down, well, I put some of that sauce down first, then a layer of the noodles, then a layer of the meat mixture, and then I also put a layer of the ricotta cheese. For me, it only took us one layer of everything pretty much because this container was not as deep as it could have been. But, I mean, that's up to you, however you want to do that. Now, I did add another layer of meat sauce, and then I went on ahead and put that Italian cheese on top. And, of course, to make this like a lasagna and a spaghetti, baked spaghetti, I put some pepperonis on top as well. So I went ahead and put that in the oven. Now I'm getting ready to get this Hawaiian bread together. See, I use that French onion butter. Oh my God, you guys. And then I just melted it down like that. I'd already pre-cut the rolls, so it's easy just to add that butter mixture on to the bread. And then as soon as I did that, well, hold on, I was talking faster than I'm working. So still adding that butter onto the bread, trying to really make sure that it all gets covered evenly. And then I just opened up both of the cheeses and just laid them on one on top of the other. No big deal on that end. Real easy peasy lemon squeezy. That provolone and that white, I think that was white cheddar, I think. Oh my God. Then I went ahead and put some more of that butter on top, that melted butter, that French onion. Don't forget that I did add garlic powder to the French onion butter, okay? So it's just yummy, y'all. And this is what we're looking at. Yum, yum. So with everything being ready, I am so hungry and everything smells so delicious. And I am trying to deal with this hot bread, and it is hot, okay? So let me go get some hardware here to help me get this bread off of the pan. Oh my God, y'all, cheesy and delicious. Absolutely. Y'all already know how wine bread tastes. So imagine with it garlicky and buttery. Let's cut on into this lasagna spaghetti. So even though I didn't have like triple layers, it was still a really deep dish. And, you know, usually I would like to wait and let it cool, but it was hot, hot, hot. But the boys were like, okay, we're ready to eat right now. So I went on ahead and sliced it up. And you can see the steam coming off of that on the plate over there on the side. But y'all, it was just so doggone good. I will never make lasagna again with lasagna noodles. It's no need when you can have it like this and it's just as good. And look at these buttery garlic Hawaiian rolls. Oh my God, that provolone cheese and that white cheddar. Delicious. And here's my plate. I'm ready to eat, y'all. Okay, y'all, I gotta hurry up and taste this because my battery is about to die. So let me get on in here. Oh my goodness. It's still hot. Ooh, look at that. I'm taking a bite of this bread. Hold on. Oh my God. I need to put the camera down. Hold on. That ricotta cheese. That mushroom and onion. That Italian sausage. Little pepperoni on top. Asiago cheese. Oh my God. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm hot because this oven was hot. The ring light was hot. This food was hot. Oh, I'm smacking. Y'all, this is a must make. Must make for your family. I'm going to let my boys get into it because, see, they standing around me right now like vultures. Y'all can't really see them, but they are standing right here, both of them. Both of them. Look at his face. Look at his... What, you waiting on it, ain't you? Yeah, honey. He's not playing. Okay, so let me go feed my babies. Y'all better make this for your family. So good. So good. Y'all keep your heads up and your eyes open. I'll see y'all the next time on the next video. Bye.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving, I'm a survivor.